Another fun day, another run day, and I belong. Meow. Whoa. Hi, it's car free day here in Jakarta. And we're running on the road. Daming tao. Okay, thank you very much. So we finished our longer run than 10 kilometers. So I finished 13, she finished 12. Yeah, it's a normal car free day here in Jakarta. Thanks for joining us in this run.
Before we end the video, thank you sa free new Ice Light GT. We got it while we're running.
Yes.
Nakatulong siya habang tumatakbo kami. Kasi bumababa na yung sugar namin.
Yeah, di kasi kami nag-breakfast. We just had our barley and our exercise. Ito na, start na tayo. So, yun lang, no? Find time to move your body and exercise. However busy you are, dito na tayo papasok. Okay.
Let's keep moving.
Let's keep running. Let's run for more.